Welcome to Dr. Saima Zia's AI in Management series. Imagine a workplace where performance reviews are not just annual rituals, but continuous, insightful, and powered by artificial intelligence. Intrigued? In the not-so-distant past, performance management often meant tedious annual evaluations that could feel disconnected from daily realities. Employees and managers alike would dredge through piles of paperwork, trying to recall achievements and challenges from months ago. This process was not only time-consuming, but also fraught with biases and inconsistencies. Enter artificial intelligence. Today, AI is revolutionizing this landscape. By integrating AI into performance management, organizations are transitioning from static once-a-year evaluations to dynamic, ongoing conversations about performance. AI tools analyze real-time data, offering timely feedback and actionable insights. This shift not only enhances fairness by reducing human biases, but also aligns employee goals more closely with organizational strategies. Moreover, AI-driven systems are capable of recognizing patterns and predicting future performance, enabling managers to proactively support their teams rather than reactively addressing issues. This is not just a futuristic dream, it's the present, and it's reshaping how organizations handle performance management. But what exactly does AI bring to the performance management table? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing the way organizations handle performance management. At its core, AI integrates complex algorithms and computing power to process and analyze vast amounts of data, much more swiftly and accurately than traditional methods. Let's start by breaking down some key concepts that are pivotal in this transformation. First, there's machine learning. This is a type of AI that allows systems to learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. In the realm of performance management, machine learning algorithms can sift through employee performance data to identify trends and provide insights that help managers make informed decisions. Next, we have natural language processing, or NLP. This technology enables computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. In performance management, NLP can be used to analyze qualitative feedback from performance reviews, extracting valuable insights that might otherwise require extensive human effort to interpret. Then there's predictive analytics, a technique used to make predictions about future outcomes based on historical data. In performance management, predictive analytics can forecast future employee performance based on their past activities and behavior patterns. This allows for proactive adjustments to be made, enhancing overall efficiency and effectiveness. These AI technologies can automate numerous tasks within the performance management process. For example, data collection becomes more streamlined as AI can automatically gather and organize data from various sources. Analysis is also enhanced. AI can quickly process this data to uncover useful trends and generate comprehensive reports. Furthermore, even the feedback generation process can be automated and personalized, allowing managers to provide timely and relevant feedback to each employee. By leveraging AI, organizations can not only automate these processes, but also gain deeper insights and predict future trends, which can significantly improve decision-making and strategy formulation in performance management. With these tools, AI doesn't just automate, it elevates the performance management process. Ready to transform your organization? Let's walk through how to integrate AI into your performance management system. The first step is to assess needs and set goals. Before you dive into the world of AI, it's crucial to determine what you want to achieve with this technology. Are you looking to streamline performance reviews, enhance decision-making processes, or perhaps predict future employee potential? Understanding your organization's unique needs will guide you in choosing the right AI solutions that align with your strategic objectives. Moving on to step 2, choosing the right tools. The market is bustling with a variety of AI tools and software designed for performance management. From algorithms that analyze employee productivity to systems that provide real-time feedback, the options are vast. It's essential to select tools that not only address your specific goals, but are also compatible with your current systems. Consider factors like ease of integration, scalability, and user-friendliness. Next, we have data preparation, which is step 3. AI systems are only as good as the data they process. Ensuring that you have clean, comprehensive, and relevant data is pivotal. This involves collecting data from various sources within your organization, such as employee surveys, performance metrics, and HR reports. It's also important to establish a continuous data cleaning protocol to maintain the quality and accuracy of the information fed into your AI systems. Step 4 is implementation. This is where the rubber meets the road. Integrating AI tools into your existing HR systems can be challenging but achievable with the right approach. Start with a pilot program to test the AI solutions in a controlled environment. This allows you to identify any issues and make adjustments before a full-scale rollout. Ensure that your IT team is closely involved in this process to handle technical aspects, such as software compatibility and data security. Then, we arrive at training and adoption, which is step 5. The success of AI in performance management heavily relies on how well your staff adapts to and accepts these new tools. Organize comprehensive training sessions to educate your employees on how to use the AI tools effectively. It's also vital to address any skepticism by demonstrating the benefits of AI and how it can make their work easier and more efficient. Encouraging a culture that embraces technology will facilitate smoother adoption. The final step is continuous evaluation and adaptation. Implementing AI is not a set-it-and-forget-it solution. It requires ongoing assessment to ensure it continues to meet your organizational needs. Regularly analyze the AI system's performance and gather feedback from users. Use this information to refine and improve the system, adapting to new challenges and opportunities as they arise. Following these steps will help ensure a smooth transition to a more advanced AI-driven performance management system. Wondering how this looks in real life? Let's dive into some compelling real-world examples where artificial intelligence has revolutionized performance management. These case studies shine a light on the tangible benefits AI brings to the table. First, consider the global retail giant Walmart. The company implemented an AI-driven system to track and analyze employee performance across its numerous locations. This system uses machine learning algorithms to assess employee productivity and efficiency, helping managers make informed decisions about promotions, training needs, and even potential reassignments. The result? Walmart has seen a significant increase in operational efficiency and employee satisfaction, as the assessments are perceived as more objective and fair. Moving on to another sector, the financial services firm Morgan Stanley has utilized AI to enhance its performance evaluations by integrating natural language processing tools. These tools analyze written feedback from managers and peers, providing a more nuanced understanding of employee contributions. By reducing the subjectivity and bias traditionally inherent in qualitative assessments, Morgan Stanley has not only improved the accuracy of its performance reviews, but also fostered a more inclusive workplace culture. In the tech industry, Google has been a pioneer in adopting AI for performance management. They developed an internal AI tool that predicts employee engagement and retention rates. This predictive analysis helps managers proactively address potential issues, tailor career development programs, and reduce turnover rates. The proactive nature of this AI tool ensures that Google remains at the forefront of employee management practices, maintaining its status as one of the best places to work. Lastly, in healthcare, IBM's Watson has been deployed at several hospitals to assist with performance management in clinical settings. By analyzing vast amounts of data from patient outcomes and staff interventions, Watson helps identify patterns and best practices, leading to improved patient care and more effective team performance. These examples not only illustrate the potential of AI, but also show its practical effectiveness in diverse settings. To get started, you'll need the right set of tools. In the realm of performance management, AI has brought forth a suite of innovative tools that transform how businesses track and enhance employee performance. First, consider AI-powered analytics software. This type of software uses algorithms to process and interpret large volumes of data, offering insights that help managers make informed decisions. Next, automated feedback systems are game changers. These systems collect continuous feedback from various sources and use AI to analyze the data, providing real-time, actionable insights. This helps in identifying areas where employees excel and where they might need additional support or training. Lastly, AI-driven performance tracking platforms are integral. These platforms not only track performance metrics across teams and individual employees, but also predict future trends and outcomes. This predictive capability enables proactive management and tailored developmental programs. Choosing the right tools is crucial for harnessing the power of AI and enhancing performance management. Let's recap what we've covered and look ahead. Throughout this exploration, we've seen how artificial intelligence is transforming performance management. From automating routine tasks to providing deeper insights through data analysis, AI is making performance management more efficient and effective. The integration process, though intricate, opens up a plethora of opportunities for organizations to enhance their operational dynamics. We delved into real-world examples where companies have successfully harnessed the power of AI to streamline processes and improve outcomes. These cases not only illustrate the potential of AI, but also serve as a roadmap for others to follow. Looking to the future, the prospects of AI and performance management are even more promising. With advancements in machine learning and natural language processing, AI tools are expected to become even more sophisticated. This evolution will likely lead to more personalized and adaptive systems, capable of handling complex decision-making processes. As AI technology advances, so too will its role in revolutionizing performance management. The future is bright, and it's intelligent. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button for more useful updates. Please share your views, insights, or suggestions in comments section as our knowledge partner.